Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the unboxing video of the Pioneer GM-D1004. This is the Class D 4-channel amplifier, very compact one, and it is 4-channel output and 400 watt max. This Class FD, so it's the high class from Pioneer. And the reason we select this one to work into our car work at this moment, because of the compact design, so it will make the output good enough, and the size will be good enough to fit into this car, which is BMW E60 series, and we are doing the 12-inch system into the car, and soon you will see later on, this system go up there. But for now, we're just unboxing this Pioneer GM-D1004. So here is the part from the box. Okay, you have the main amplifier, very nice, very smooth, and feeling very solid and very professional from Pioneer. You feel high level soon as you hold it in your hands. And it is really compact. It's just like a piece of small brick. It's awesome. And you have one of the RCA input that will already plug here. You will have another input, but it is the normal speaker input with the ISO cable on the front end. You might want to modify this one if in case you have to, but in this case we don't use it, so we don't need it. We will use the RCA input. On this side it is the output and the power in, which actually go with a long wiring like this, and the output is here. It comes with ISO. And it's pretty nice to have different ISO connectors, so it can be easily to connect to many cars. So in this case, we are doing this one into the BMW E60, and we are looking to have nice sound output because the car wasn't coming with a factory amplifier for the speaker. It just for the rear it just no amplifier in this car actually. Yes, and they're all standard speaker, so this one expect to boost the speaker nicely. We will see that in the video that will finish the work, and we'll do it later. So you can click on the end link of this video and see you then. Thank you.